What's going on, everybody? Hope all of you are doing fantastic. Another first impression. Now this is a back-to-back, probably that's why you're seeing me wearing the same thing. So I just finished doing my first impression of Unique Luxuries Agdenis, a beautiful aquatic sweet fruity kind of fragrance. I absolutely loved it on the test strip, but I'm gonna do my full review, of course, so don't worry about that. Today, right now, I have one of the most hyped fragrance in my hand. Now this is a new release. It's called Qahwa. I believe I pronounced it correctly. Qahwa, I think that's how you pronounce it in Arabic. And this is from the house of Lattafa. Now this is a variant of the most famed Khamrah, which a lot of people said was a clone of Angel Share. Now, if you know me, I did not compare fragrances. But just for this particular case, I'm going to keep this handy just in case, I feel like sniffing both of them side by side. So this is my Khamrah Qahwa unboxing. Let's do this. And if you have missed subscribing to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button on this contents if you like. So yeah, let's go. The box feels pretty heavy, and it's nice. Yep. All right. So I don't have Khamrah, by the way. I'm not interested to get that, but the reason I got Qahwa was because I heard there's a caramel coffee kind of thing going on. And of course, if you know your boy right here, I'm all about gourmands and anything that has coffee. I absolutely love it. So let's see what Khamrah Qahwa is all about. Let's check this out. A beautiful presentation, I must say. I'll do the full presentation and everything on my full review. And yeah. That's what the bottle looks like. That's in the inside presentation. I don't know if that's a real mirror or just a reflective surface right there. Oh, there you go. Cool. I'll just put this thing away, and the bottom is definitely not wood. It's some kind of textured material. The bottle is, of course, reminiscent of the actual Khamrah bottle. If you have seen it, if you have used it, you know it all. So yeah, there's that. But this thing has a beautiful gradient going on, if you can see. So it's more like that coffee settling to the bottom, and like the color, the coffee essence, and the the texture, everything's just rising up. So yeah, bottle feels pretty solid, but well, okay, all right. So this thing clicks nicely into place. All right, I can't feel anything from the atomizer directly. So I'm just gonna use my, yep, that's a new one. So just my handy dandy tester strip. I'm not a first impression guy, so yeah, please forgive me with these videos. Let's see what this is all about. Khamrah Qahwa. Let's see. All right. Okay. This does not feel very heavy. It's pretty light. Don't get a lot of coffee. Some people said there's coffee. Maybe it's gonna take a while. Just spray this bottle, right? It's a kind of like a spicy cardamom kind of thing going on in the background. But it smells very nice though. Beautiful stuff. It's more on the airy, spicy airy, yet has that beautiful character to it. Yeah, now things are coming off. I'm gonna do a couple of sprays on my skin. The atomizer is nice. Okay, there's a kind of harshness, like some kind of alcohol going on. Like when you spray it, give it like a second. Okay, the first thing I get is kind of like spices coming through right away. There's a feeling of cardamom, kind of cooling sensation. Not entirely gourmand. Not entirely gourmand. Maybe it's one of those spiced coffee kind of thing, like, I don't know, Arabica. Oh, come on. You guys know, coffee experts, I just love the smell of coffee. I don't care what type it is. As long as it tastes good, smells good, I'll just have it. Some kind of darkness going on in the background. I have not looked into the notes of this, so I'm not sure. Okay, probably the coffee is coming off like once the brewing is done and you have that residue on the paper, right? So you have that kind of like a charred kind of smell, not in a bad way. I think there's some kind of a tad bit of sweetness coming through, not too much. And anyone who's still confused, Angel Share and Qahwa from Lattafa Khamrah Qahwa, this is not the same thing. It's very, very, very different. Like, if anyone's telling you that, either they have a broken nose or something's up. I know fragrances are subjective, but come on, there's a huge difference between these two. So don't even compare Angel Share with Qahwa. Like, I don't know who will or who did. If anybody did it, I'm not sure. But loving it so far. Kind of like a creamy coconut kind of vibe coming through. I don't know if it's the vanilla, but the spiciness is persistent at the opening. It's just becoming stronger. Yep. So another win, another cheapy win. So I got this for like around, I think it cost me $26 or $27 because it was on sale, and I got some other stuff too. I had coupons and all those things, so combined I got a really good deal on this one. So guys, that was my first impression on Qahwa from Lattafa Khamrah. Khamrah's I don't know, brother, sister, whatever, flanker. But once again, guys, Khamrah Qahwa is not anywhere close to Angel Share. Do not compare these two. This is a masterpiece. This is a beautiful fragrance on its own. I don't compare, but I just, you know, because there was so much hype with Khamrah, I was like, okay, might as well just do a side-by-side, but there's absolutely no point spraying and wasting this one. Khamrah Qahwa, I would say if you love beautiful, a tad bit sweet, spicy take on a fragrance, if you like those kind of stuff, I would say this is a must-have. You will enjoy this. This is very easy to wear. Unlike Angel Share, this is heavy, dense, it's extremely potent. I don't feel this one is in the same direction. This is a bit more on the lighter side, which is more wearable. I would say it's more versatile. Definitely cooler weather. Do not go into the summertime, but yeah, definitely for cooler temperatures. So guys, take care. Make sure you're subscribed. I often do giveaways. You don't want to miss those opportunities. Sounds like the next one. Please take care, stay safe, and all the best.